it is a glueless unit, so there's no glue on this unit whatsoever. I'm just mimicking my hairline. The Byebye knots, they always give what they need to give. All right, y'all, so we are back today with another pre-cut lace wig install. So shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video and mimicking the texture that you guys can see in my hair today. Unice Hair Company did send me a light Yaki textured unit. So like I said, it's another pre-cut lace wig, guys. So everything is already done on this unit, as you guys can see. They already pre-cut the lace, they already bleached the knots, did all that kind of magic. Now this one obviously comes with their standard adjustable strap, and it also comes with the combs, and one comb in the back and two on the side. Now with this one, guys, I'm just gonna keep it in the middle part. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it out a little bit more, but you guys can see the texture is texturing right now, and I've been in love with the light Yaki relaxed texture lately, so I was super excited when they sent me this unit. I believe this unit is about 24 inches long, guys, so it gives some good length, and it also has a good density to it as well. So I'm not gonna straighten it too much. I just wanted to kind of give it a little bit of a look. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the Byebye knots and the normal lace knots. Now obviously you guys can see the Byebye knots are super transparent and undetectable. When you put this against your skin, any type of skin you have, dark, light skin, whatever, it's gonna work really well, so you guys don't see anything whatsoever. I like the fact that they've upgraded their lace, and I'm telling you guys, the Byebye knots is game changer, guys. And you guys can see from right here the example that it's just completely like game changer. Like, this is what we used to mess with back in the old days, and this is what the new generation of wigs is giving. Unice Hair Company also has changed their cap construction. As you guys can see, they give you ample amount of lace on the caps, and the cap construction is very breathable as well too on these units, guys. This is what the 3D cap looks like, and it's very breathable and stretchy as well. So these units, I'm a medium to average cap size head, guys, so for me the wig fits very comfortably, and it also has adjustable straps, so if it's a little bit too loose, which it never really happens, I can just adjust it and the wig fits very snug, and you don't have any perspiration underneath your caps. I never have like a sweaty head. Everything is pretty breathable and fits nice. So this is what you're gonna get. This is what the cap looks like, and you know, like I said, it's just very upgraded and very different from what we started off with wigs. I feel like this is by far one of the best cap constructions that I've received from a company thus far. Now, because this unit is a light, relaxed texture, it's gonna give more of a natural blowout look or kind of a silk press look. So I want something like this that kind of mimics my hair if it was really straight and long. But you know, my hair is still giving what it needs to give. But this one's definitely gonna give more of a natural effect. So you guys can see, look how pretty this hair is. The hair is absolutely lovely, guys. Hopefully it's showing on camera correctly. Absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, the lace itself is pretty. Now I do notice that it does kind of have like a little bit of a widow's peak attachment right here. So if you're someone that has a widow's peak and struggles wearing wigs, this unit will work for you really well, guys. They give you like a little bit of extra lace right here. So I'll probably just trim that part off right there, and that's it. So let me go ahead and pop this unit off, and you know the deal, pop this one. So I went ahead and adjusted the strap in the back, guys. So this is what the unit looks like. Usually I'll put the combs in, so I'll go ahead and put the combs in for the purpose of this video today. And I put the combs in just so that I can sit real nice and in place for me, especially with the middle parts. You guys know I never get the middle part correctly. I always mess that up. So you guys can see the hair is very pretty. Look at how lovely that is. Obviously it needs like a little bit of taming, but it's still a quick install, guys. It's not going to be anything crazy or too much. So you get a nice amount of parting space in here, which I do love. The amount of parting space that they give. Hopefully this is giving middle part vibes. As you guys know, I never ever get it right. So let's see if this is middle parting. I think that's middle parting. So I'm just gonna basically like middle part and clean it up nicely. Looking at the lace in the front now, I probably would still cut like a little bit off, guys, but I won't go too crazy on it because it's not that much of a widow's peak for me. I usually put my wigs down pretty low because I have a big plantar forehead, so there's like enough space for me to, you know, play around with the plate where I place the wig. So I like it. The hair in the front, you guys can see, look how natural and just baby soft the hair looks like right here. What I think I'm gonna do is grab my hot comb and then grab my straightener and kind of start working on this one. I'm gonna get the hot comb first so I can clean up the parting space so you guys can kind of see it more prominent. But the hair is very light and soft, guys. Like really like a nice like relaxed texture. It's like really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb this down and powder the edges a little bit. I think I'm gonna cut like a little bit of this off, like right here, like a little swig of this off. But the hairline, gorgeous. All right, guys, so I'm just going ahead and hot combing the base of this so that it lays very flat. The parting space is tremendous on this one, so you get like a really nice middle part style, which I think is nice. As you guys can see, the hair is like butter, guys. Like, look at how pretty this light Yaki, they did something with this one. Very, very nice. And as far as the widow's peak ear in the front, why I call it a widow's peak, it's probably not even really a widow's peak. I'm just probably saying that just because it seems like it to me. I don't even think I'm gonna cut anything of that off. I might just trim a little bit of this little extra dot right here off. But other than that, it looks really, really nice, guys. And I like to put the hot comb on hot heat so that I could really, whew, whew. So I can really get this unit flat to the gods. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the unit. So I'm gonna spray the top with a little bit of the even melting spray just to kind of make sure it lays flat. We're not gonna install this unit with any glue or anything like that, guys. So that's as far as using any type of styling products or sprays, just to kind of flatten the front out. So then you get like a clean little middle part. Let's go ahead and see if this is like actual middle part though, because you know. Oof. Let's just shift the wig a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the part up though with a little bit of spray, but so far so good. So the next part, guys, is just to straighten it ever so lightly, like just like a nice little light straightening job on this one, and that's gonna be that. And that's basically the install. Like, come on. I never really showed these edges right here, but if you want to go ahead and glue this down, you want to make that look like realistic, you can, but there's no point with this wig. I'm going to tap some powder into the front part right here so you guys can kind of like melt it down with your own powder. I was going to go ahead and do like a little spray in the front to make the middle part look more crisp, but this is like a natural look, so I don't think I need to do that, like that artificial bust down middle part look. This is more of like a light Yaki, like this is my natural hair type of look, so it doesn't have to be too like clean looking. I feel like it looks more realistic like this. So all you're doing is just add a little powder. Y'all can see the hairline already, very nice. And like I said, again, it is a glueless unit, so there's no glue on this unit whatsoever. I'm just mimicking my hairline. The Byebye knots, they always give what they need to give. I feel like the Byebye knots is definitely a game changer at this point. Like, it's definitely the best wig on the market. Very, very good. If you watched one of my recent hair videos, I showed you guys this attachment. I also put up a shorts with this attachment. I have a link on my Amazon storefront. If you're just trying to get your hair really straight with like one pass, the comb attachment just makes it so much easier to do it. It's like, look at guys, it does everything all in one. Like, look at that. And you're done. So it's like the best product ever. I'll leave it down below my Amazon storefront. It's amazing, guys. It does the job for me very quickly, and then you're good to go. So like I said, this is a same day install. So if you're like in a rush and you got somewhere to go, all you gotta do is just pre-prep this wig up, guys. Just, you know, basically make your part, use a little hot comb at the top, and then straighten it out, and then you're good to go. The wig is very, very same day install, very beginner friendly. Look at how gorgeous. Like, this is this side and this is this side. Like, this attachment, I'm telling you guys, it does everything you need to do in one pass. Well, obviously I did a couple passes. I want my thing to be like, you know, real bone straight. But you guys can still see that the hair has a lot of its texture still. You can see that nice light Yaki texture, relaxed texture in it. So I'm telling you already, I absolutely love this unit. I could just, it's just so pretty, and it's like very, very light. So it's like a Yaki texture that's light. So the hair is not like thick or anything like that. It has that nice buttery effect to it, nice buttery feel. Like, come on, guys. And very, very easy. Like, look at this. That looks like I just got my hair blown out. Well, straightened out. Like a silk press, giving silk press vibes. So, y'all see this? Honey. Honey, 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 honey. All right, y'all, so I got the hair nice and sleeky straight. Obviously, you guys can still see that the hair has a lot of texture, a lot of luster. Like, this light, relaxed Yaki texture is never gonna, you know, fade from straightening it. I will go ahead and leave that little link down below for you on my Amazon storefront for the attachment for the straightener. Does an excellent job, guys. You guys can see that the hair is super straight, very nice, and it also still has its texture, its natural texture to it. Absolutely love this one, guys. You guys obviously know this is a glueless unit. We don't lie over here. We tell the truth. There is no glue used on this unit whatsoever. It is 100% glueless and very, very flawless, guys. You guys can see. I absolutely love how simple this one was. And one thing about this one, if you're someone that's looking for a texture that mimics your own natural hairstyle, this definitely works. It kind of gives you like a silk press vibe, kind of like a natural blowout vibe or fresh relaxed vibe. So I really, really like it. The 24 inches is true to length, guys. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I just think that this is a nice unit, guys. Very simple, straight to the point. If you want to go ahead and do like a side part, I feel like you'll get a nice side part with this one just because the actual lace part on this one is actually pretty big. You guys know Unice here offers the pre-cut lace units with enough lace on it so you guys can do multiple styles. But for me, I'm gonna keep it cute and classy and do a middle part. If you want to go ahead and clean the middle part up and do kind of like that really, really clean middle part, you can do that. But I figured because it was more of a natural S type of style, more of a relaxed style, that you didn't need to do all that kind of bust down middle part look. This still looks very, very nice and natural, guys. And like I said, the hair is so nice and soft. The density on this one is such a natural density, guys, so it's not heavy. You guys know you guys get like a kinky straight type of unit and it's kind of dense a little bit. This one is very nice and light. And like I said, your girl ain't lose no texture whatsoever. The hair is giving lots of luster, lots of fabulousness, and it's just giving all of the vibes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair video. I'll leave all the information down below, guys, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Unice Hair Company. Happy holidays to everyone, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.